Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Air Compressor.
Number 5.
California Air Tools Cat 1P1060 SB. Ultra quiet, only 56 decibels. Oil-free pump for less maintenance and costs. .0 steel tank. Lightweight for easy transporting, 29 pounds. Powerful 0.6 horsepower rated/running, 1.5 horsepower peak motor.
Number 4.
Bostitch BTFP 02012 6-gallon. Note: item does not include hose or gun kit. .150 max C6.0 gallon tank, 22.7 liters and 2.6 SCFM** delivered at 90C pump. High efficiency motor for easy startup in cold weather. 78.5 * operational noise level for a quiet work environment. High flow regulator and couplers to maximize air tool performance.
Number 3.
Metabo HPTX 28M Ultra Quiet Portable Air Compressor. Same tools. New name. Hitachi Power Tools has renamed to Metabo HPT. Ultra quiet operation at only 59 decibels, so quiet that a normal conversation can take place while the compressor. Quiet industrial oil-free pump provides high durability with no maintenance. Motor thermal overload protection stops the motor in a possible overheating situation. Factory installed industrial quick coupler for easy one-handed hose connection.
Number 2.
Roller hand carry portable 2 horsepower air compressor. Quiet operation, only 70 decibel. .12-amp motor. Roll cage designed to protect pump/motor. Start/stop pressure switch. Safety relief valve.
Number 1.
F2CTC20T1 5th HP Pro Air Compressor. At 1/5 horsepower, this unit delivers more air volume, CFM, and air pressure, C, than any airbrush demands. Oil-less piston motor, low noise, very quiet operation, only 59 dB. Full 1-year warranty. precise air adjustment, true diaphragm pressure regulator with gauge and water trap filter. That provides precise adjustment of airflow and will ensure clean, dry air. Air on demand, designed to work only when you do, produces air on demand at your regulated pressure.